Hello grade 7, today I'm going to show you how to save the HTML file in Notepad. So first, after you're done coding, click File, then Save As. Then rewrite the file name. So index.html. Then don't forget to change the Save As type. It should be all files. And then I'm saving it to my HTML folder. So I suggest you also make one. Then click Save. So as you can see here, the title is Hello World. So let's see if it works. Okay, so here it's your HTML file is ready here in my HTML folder. So as you can see, the icon is changed to Google Chrome. So it means you saved it correctly. So double click to check if it works. So here, as you can see, it's working and showing the different type of text formatting. And here, the title is Hello World. So whatever you write on the title tag, it will show here. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye, guys.